her husband, her currently Diesel.
Birthday, Lauren. Unfortunately, Ate Luz is still in Pampanga. Our gift to you, unfortunately I didn't bring it, is a treasure box for all the physical treasures you'll keep there. All the more, I know, the more important treasures you'll keep in your heart. Ate Luz messages.
Happy birthday, Lauren. Our gift and wish for you, treasure, is that you find contentment on the things you have physically and for things you have achieved. Set reachable goals, dreaming grandiosely, sneakily free, but with all your bring frustration as not attaining them. God provided you what you have now, and you need all your few more necessary things to make life happy and enjoyable. Always remember, to be of age is to be more responsible. Look around. You are now surrounded by people who will support you in every way one can. Be thankful to God for becoming the person you are now. God bless. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much. I would like to call now Dr. April Mendoza.
Hi Lauren, happy birthday. Si Kuya Juno at saka we wanted to give you something that's practical, so we decided to give you a bag. Pero syempre, since it's your birthday, may meaning din yung bag, diba? So, according to him, yung bag is full of surprises, just like you. You're not only talented, you're also intelligent, beautiful, and especially God-fearing. So I wish you all the best. May all your dreams come true, and happy birthday.
Thank you. And now we have Miss Lisa Cruz.
Medyo nagulat ako. Since I received your invitation, it gave me a really hard time and a big headache. Hindi nga ako nakagawa ng lesson plan for 1 week. Thinking of something that might work. A really treasure for you, napapaus pa. Talagang mahirap. Simula nung na-receive ko hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa siya naiisip. Pero I came up with something. It might be little compared to all the treasure that you have received, but the symbol or the thing that it symbolizes, it really something for you. Kapag naiisip mo na nag-iisa ka lang, tingnan mo lang ito. Tapos, you will think that there is someone who's willing to listen to you.
Thank you, Lisa. We also have Mrs. Roslyn Joseph.
Happy birthday. Sabi ko nagkaroon na anak na babae. Katulad mo maganda, matalino, sa katulad. Parang gusto kong gumawa ng BTR. Pero nung bag na to, hindi katulad nung nabigay nila sa'yo, pero yung material na ginamit dito, plastic siya, pero hindi sa sabi plastic ano to, kasi transparent siya. So, kung nakikita namin sa'yo, yun yung ikaw kasi yun. Kaya, happy birthday.
Mrs. Cathy Santos is the next. Cathy Santos.
Hello, Lauren. May hello pa. I specifically chose to give you this gift. Later, I will show everyone. We often hear old people say you have to be in other people's shoes to be able to understand them. In life, we get to wear a lot of shoes. We fit into a lot of roles, and oftentimes we choose to stick with where we are most comfortable. But life isn't just about being comfortable, and it should not be just about I, me, and myself. Diba? So, I'm giving you this gift to remind you of the value of empathy. Hindi siya shoes, chinela siya. Wala kang mahanap na shoes. I want you to remember that
it's important that we get to identify with people who may be in a less ideal position than where we are. Diba? Not all people will be as beautiful as you are, as intelligent as you are, as sexy as you are, diba? Hindi lahat ay kasing yaman o kasing komportable ng ibang tao. So, I like to remember that we need to empathize with other people. Why is the soul pink? It's not because it's our favorite color, obviously. But pink stands for love. And I want you to remember that let it be that very important word love, let it be the basis, the foundation, and the reason for everything that you will do. And life has a lot of things in store for you. Enjoy life, empathize, love. We love you, Lord. Happy birthday.
Well said, thank you, ma'am. And of course, we also have Miss Michelle Garcia.